Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change surname on Pinterest. So if you also want to change surname on Pinterest, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in pinterest.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Pinterest. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to change the surname, all you have to do is click on the profile icon that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see your profile. You can see your name over here. You can also see your username. You can see your following. Right below it, you'll be able to see two options, share and edit profile. All you have to do is click on the option edit profile. Now from here, you'll be able to edit your profile. You can see several informations over here. You can edit all the informations. So if you want to change the surname, all you have to do is click on the box last name. Now erase the initial last name. Now enter the new surname. Now after that, you'll be able to see the option for save over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now your profile has been saved. Let's go back. Now here you can see your surname has been changed. So that is how you change surname on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.